Hello guys, today I want to talk about some additional batch processing tools I wrote. Every one of these tools is working on the tiles themselves, meaning the tiles in your asset database. These tools will handle all tiles in a folder including subfolders. You can find these tools under Tools, Snap Tool 2, More. There they are. Let me just show you one of them. The Remove LODs tools. This tool is used to remove all LODs from your tiles. With each tool comes an information box. The process on how to work with the tools is pretty much the same for all tools. Drag a folder with tiles to the drag area, make some settings and let the whole thing run. In this case nothing happens because I used this tool beforehand. Let me introduce some other tools. The Replace tool is very useful. It lets you replace game objects by name. For example, if you have torches on your walls, it will replace all these torches through the new prefab. Let me give you an example. So we have this torch here. Let's find it in the scene. Now we're gonna make a prefab from it. This is not going to work with the new prefab system. We have to do it from the prefab. We have to do it in prefab mode. Unity switches folders for no reason, but here we have our prefab torch assembly. We don't need to save our changes right now. We just wanted to make the prefab. Now let's replace all game object in all tiles named torch assembly with our new prefab. The checkbox Keep Prefab Connection will keep the connection to the torch assembly prefab, meaning making it a nested prefab. This will take a few seconds. So what it's doing right now is to find all game objects in all tiles named torch assembly and replaces them with our prefab, including their children. Okay, now let's have a look at what has changed in our scene. As you can see, all torches are now nested prefabs. That wasn't the case before. Let's just check if this works as intended by just rotating the torch a little bit and see if it is the same on all our tiles. As you can see, Unity is finding all references right now. It was good. All torches are rotated from all tiles. Okay. The thing with this tool is you don't have to plan beforehand. meaning you don't have to plan for nested prefabs. You can do this by this tool at any time during development. Okay, now let's make the same thing, but without a nested prefab. This does exactly the same, but will not hold a reference to the prefab. So this is not a nested prefab anymore. I just speeded up the video a little bit for your convenience. As you can see, the torches are not prefabs anymore. This is not too important, but good to know and know how to use it. All the other batch tools also work on tiles. You can move snap points and set various other properties to your tiles. Each tool has a more information folder for your information. And that was pretty much it. As always, have a nice day.